So, Klaus, what varieties would you recommend of spring onions?
There's two fantastic varieties. One is called Parade,
Yep.
and the other one is called Ishikura. Ishikura bunting, a Japanese variety.
Yeah.
And they produce the scallions you know from a shop.
Okay.
You know, if you want to grow nice big scallions you would get in a greengrocer, that's the ones you need to grow.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah. It might surprise you now. I'm going to sow 10 seeds
10?
in each cell. Yeah, 10 seeds.
Does seem an awful lot.
About 8 of them will germinate, and a bunch of scallions is 8. They're like lettuce, they're very short-lived, they're very quick to grow, so you should sow them every 3 weeks.
Right.
From March till July. So again, we make about a centimetre deep hole or fingernail's depth.
And how long can we leave them in the plug then before they should really be
They
planted
take
out?
about 6 weeks, and that's 7 and 7, 14, so the 2 rows will be enough for the next 3 weeks.
It's a great
Or
way
they're
to sow
very
them.
quick to mature, 5 weeks from sowing to planting roughly, and then to harvesting another 4 weeks just. We don't split them up. The whole purpose of sowing in modules is that you have the right number of seeds per cell. It would be a disaster to split them up now. So 8 clumps, 8 seeds planted together will make a bunch of scallions.
Yeah.
The other word for scallions, of course, is spring onions. We'll plant them about 25 centimetres apart. And then the fun thing is when you harvest them, you have to harvest a whole bunch in one go.
Perfect, yeah.
Don't sow too many at one go. 5 or 6 bunches, and that'll keep us going for 2-3 weeks.
Okay.
And then you sow them again. It's very important that we sow them at regular intervals. Every 3 weeks you sow whatever you need. And see, we stagger them again, like a zigzag formation.
Yeah.
So in a few weeks' time, I'll plant one here, one there, and one over there.
Yeah.
So the equidistant spacing, always best for every crop, really. We sowed 10 seeds per cell, so we have a nice bunch, and we harvest a whole bunch together. Just pull, and then you just put a rubber band around. And if you were to sell them or want to store them a bit longer, you would cut them here.
Yeah.
Because the leaves, they draw out the moisture.
Right, yeah.
So, but if you eat them fresh, you'd eat every single bit of it.
Yeah. So we'll have a go on that. Really good.
Yeah, I won't taste it now, otherwise I won't be allowed inside.